Hey there folks, welcome back. This update covers some of the latest features I've added to my Zelda Godot project. So, as you can see, we have a new title screen. This is part of the full game loop. We can now go from the title screen to the game to a game over and then back to the title screen. As you can see, we've also got music and sound effects working. That includes for the equipment, so the player can make his own sounds. We have the general overworld theme playing, but then once we enter an area with a sound override, you see the music changes. You get the mysterious forest theme. Enemies also make noise. They have their own music player. So we can layer up lots of different audio options. There's a global sound effects player and a global music player. So we can have a lot of stuff playing at one time. And as you can see, if we keep taking damage, then eventually we'll run out of hearts, although they aren't represented on screen yet. And we do the death animation, and we go to the game over screen. In the original game, when you retry, it will take you to the last entrance or exit that you used. In this case, it just takes you back to the starting point for the game. I still need to implement that bit, but it's just adding a line of code. I've also changed the camera so that it's stateful. Now when we enter certain buildings, it will enter different camera modes. We have the standard fixed camera, which just accommodates one room. We have a Y-pan camera, which only goes up and down, not left and right. And for buildings with multiple entrances, we can go in either one and go to the correct destination. Here we can see we also have a X fixed camera that scrolls right and left, but not up and down. And if we exit out this side, we should exit out the left door, in this side, and out of the right door. But since we have transitions working, this also means that I managed to get the teleporters working as well. And then when we hop in here, it plays the falling animation and then a little animation where we shoot up and spin around, and it takes us to the next one in the teleporter set. Of course, it'll only let you go to any teleporter that you have unlocked, so in this case I'm just working with them all unlocked, but the unlocking functionality is implemented, so it would work exactly like the original game. Here you can see in Telltale Heights we have these waterfalls. These always produce a hissing effect in the Game Boy game, but as you can see, when we move back and forth, we enter this area and it plays the sound effect for the waterfall, and that goes away when we leave the waterfall behind. And then if we head around one more, we get over to Turtle Rock, and here we have the Telltale Heights music playing. And lastly, we go in and all the way back around to the Mabe Village teleporter. So as you can see, we've made a lot of progress and there's still a long way to go, but one step at a time. At the moment, I'm currently working on NPCs. So here you can see we have Madam Meow and Chow Chow. Chow Chow should have this behavior where he kind of hops and leaves a little shadow underneath him. So that's currently what I'm trying to work on. Very simple. It's just using an animation player to sort of bounce the front sprite that's animated and then have a sprite behind it with the shadow. And I also need to implement interaction. So there's going to be some kind of an overlap area 2D that overlaps with the player. When you press the action button, it will trigger the NPC's reaction, whatever that is, displaying usually a text box. So that's another thing. There's so much to do, but it is really fun. I'm learning a lot about Godot and I'm really enjoying this process. It's really fun to explore this game as well because it means so much to me, being able to appreciate all the fine details and all the weird little nuances that you find in the Game Boy game. But that's all for now, so thank you for joining me and I'll catch you in the next video.